So let's have a look how we can use item tracing function inside Dynamics 365 Business Central to track our serial numbers or lot numbers. So I will go to Tell Me and search for item tracing. Okay, and here at the beginning, in the general, you can find several filters. So you can filter either by serial number or by lot number, batch number, item, and so on. And you can say, okay, what is the trace method? Either from usage to origin or from origin to usage. So let's explore this in one example. So here I'm going to paste my item serial number that I was using in my previous demo. So let me just copy it and paste here. Okay. And then what I have possibility to click trace. And in a few seconds, I will see whole trace how my serial number 2 was what was transactions and documents with this serial number. And we see that below at the bottom we have first purchase receipt, so we received the item. Then we transferred this item with transfer document and posting shipment and receipts, and then we sold this item to our customer. So this is one way how you can track your serial numbers. So from usage to the origin. But let's switch from origin to usage. And then if we click trace, then system will show us a different view. And we can always collapse and go to each of those branches. We see what is the item number, description, and we see the serial number. If we, for example, select sales shipment header and then select show document, system will open us posted sales shipment, so posted document with which we sold this to our customer. Same goes for a transfer shipment or transfer receipt or, for example, purchase receipt document. You can also print this if you want, and you can have a different filters as well. So for example, if I remove my serial number and then I put my item number 1001 and I click trace, I will see a lot of serial numbers and how all those serial numbers were used inside Business Central. So for example, we can see that we purchased everything with one receipt, with the same receipt, and then for example number 2 was sold to our customer, and then we have also number 50 that was also transferred only to our to another warehouse. And we can go one by one and analyze what is happening with each of those serial numbers for this item.